In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cookie consent to Webflow. Quick tutorial. Cookie consent banners help you stay transparent with visitors and align with privacy regulations. In this quick walkthrough, we'll add a cookie banner to your Webflow site using a simple embed from Elfsight, so you can get up and running fast without custom code. Start by opening your Webflow account and heading to your Sites area, then into your dashboard so your project is ready to edit. Keep that tab open. Now, in a new tab, go to the Elfsight website. On their homepage, click Explore Widgets to see the full library of tools. Use the search bar to find the cookie consent widget, then open it. Click Create Widget for free. You'll see a set of ready-made templates. Pick the one that matches your site's style by selecting the highlighted option and choose Continue with this template. On the preview screen, you can fine-tune the message, colors, position, and buttons so the banner looks on brand and clearly links to your privacy policy. When you're happy with it, click Add to Website for free, and then Publish. If you're asked about a plan, proceed with the free option to get your code and continue. Next, look for the Embed code option in the Elfsight dashboard and copy the snippet that's provided. This is the code you'll place inside Webflow. Switch back to your Webflow tab and open your project in the Designer. Add an embed element from the Add panel to a location that loads on every page. Placing it in a global component like your site footer works well. Open the Embed editor, paste the code you copied from Elfsight, and save. This ensures the cookie banner initializes across your site without additional setup. Publish your site from Webflow so the changes go live. Visit the published URL to confirm the banner appears. If you don't see it immediately, try a hard refresh, clear your cookies, or open the site in a private browsing window. Some ad blockers can also hide consent tools, so testing in an incognito window is a helpful check. If the banner still doesn't show, verify you pasted the full embed code, that it's placed in a section that renders on all pages, and that you republished after making changes. Once it's visible, you're all set. You now have a clean, branded cookie consent banner running on your Webflow site with minimal effort.